Hi there. So most people struggle when it comes to actually selling products.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
From social media, especially selling on Twitter. In this video, I'm going to show you a very professional strategy, a very advanced strategy to sell from Twitter, grow your brand on Twitter, and every day get more followers on Twitter that are not fake bots, right? That are actually targeted good users for your business that actually have a good chance to become clients. That's how you sell, by getting the attention of potential clients. So, and this is a 95% automated strategy that over time you'll get like up to 10,000 followers, and even eventually you'll get to 100,000 followers, which will make you look like $1 million, right? Very few people have 100,000, or even a few people have 10,000 followers on Twitter. And these are going to be, you can buy Twitter followers like on Fiverr, yeah, but they're going to be bots, completely useless. This strategy, actually, these followers, they're actually going to be mostly, real people that are interested in what you have to say. And it's going to save you a lot of time because you don't have to do the strategy every day, like being at the computer. It's mostly automated. You set it in the beginning and you just let it run, and it does the work for you, and it saves you time. You don't have to hire any interns or social media marketing agencies or social media marketing consultants, none of that. And every day you'll grow your Twitter following, and again, like I said, be in front of targeted people. So I'm going to show you how I do this. It takes two tools. They are paid. They are going to be under $50 a month. The idea here is that even though you have to pay, it should be a profitable strategy for you. It should make you more money than you pay because it's a way to sell, and it's a way to save time, and it's a way to build your brand. So all these things, the sales you got coming in, the increased Twitter followers, the building of your brand, all that stuff, the saving of your time, that should be far more worth than the $50 you're going to be end up spending, right? So I'm actually presenting this as a profitable strategy, even though there are some small costs. So let me walk you through the tools that I use and quickly show you how I use them. The first tool I use is something called Quant, and both of these tools, by the way, will have a 14-day free trial. And for Quant, I even have a discount code for you, which is, in one word, big discount. Okay? And socialquant.net is basically, what they do is you make an account, and I'll show you how the inside of my account looks like. But you basically make an account, you go to their homepage, socialquant.net, and essentially just wherever the button is, click the 14-day free trial, you click that. And I'll show you what happens. Once you create your profile there, this is, by the way, the chart of my Twitter growth. You can see it's always going up and to the right almost every day. And what happens is you enter keywords that are relevant for your business, right? The kind of keywords that your clients might be interested in. Once you enter them, Social Quant team goes to work and they start following and unfollowing people that are interested in these keywords, right? So it's not like a regular follow back strategy, because that usually just has random people who don't care. This strategy is more targeted to exactly the keywords that you tell it. And if you struggle with your keywords, you can just on Udemy post a discussion or send me a private message, and I'll try to actually help you figure out your own keywords. So that's it. And once you do this, you set it and forget it. And every day they'll get you in front of more people on Twitter. And as long as your Twitter profile converts well, you should be fine, and you should get more followers and get sales and get traffic to your website and get more engagement to your tweets. By the way, a little bit later in the video, I'll show you how to get more engagement in your tweets. But this is it, right? So you try the 14-day free trial. Even if you don't like it, actually, you can just enjoy more free followers that you're going to get from this tool. So you'll at least get something out of it. The other thing is, one quick note on this tool, it does unfollow a lot of people from your main account. So what you want to do, save your people that you follow into a list before you let Social Quant do this, because then it's going to unfollow people in your main account. So from your main account, put people into your list, right? Do that in a Twitter list. So you can follow that list. Now I'm going to show you another tool, Socialoomph. And here we go. This is Socialoomph. Basically, this is the homepage, socialoomph.com. You click sign up now, and you go through the very basic sign up process. I'm not gonna do this here. I'm actually gonna show you the insides of my account, and it's gonna probably ask me to log in. So I'll quickly log in, and I'll show you the most important part. This tool actually has a lot of features. We're gonna be only interested here for now in these Q reservoirs, right? I have 2 Q reservoirs. You're gonna have to make your own. And what a Q reservoir is it basically a very long list of tweets that you preload and you let cycle. So let's go, I'll edit and you'll see some of the important things. You see I have like 464 tweets preloaded. And you know, it automatically tweets for you. For me, I set it to 20 minutes because I have so many, it's hard to run out of tweets. But for you, it might be a longer interval between tweets. And you want to also click this button to recycle the tweets. So when you tweet, when you go through your entire list of tweets, it's going to start from the first one. So it always cycles, always cycles. And that way, this is completely automated, and this can be cycling for like this month, this year, and next year. You understand. So you get a lot of tweets, and every time you tweet, what happens is that's a chance for somebody to discover you, or somebody to go to your website, or somebody to look at your product, whatever you're selling, right? So these 2 tools in combination, what they're going to do is they're going to make you're going to be tweeting a lot, and you're going to be putting yourself in front of new followers every day, right? And those new followers will be seeing your tweets, and a lot of your tweets will be like product promotion, content that you made, stuff like that. Now let me show you quickly the structure of your tweet. I'm going to go to manage updates, and I just want to show you what I do with my tweets to explain to you how to tweet to get the most engagement. There are a few very important elements, and all backed by research. Let me show you what I do with my tweets. First of all, there's a short title, for example, how to write a business plan. After that, you put a shortened link to that URL. In this case, it happens to be YouTube. Then you use hashtags, right? In my case, for this thing is business plan, business planning. And the reason you do that is 2 hashtags is considered to be the ideal number of hashtags. More hashtags is considered a little spammy. Less hashtags just doesn't get you enough exposure. And of course, no hashtags is also bad. Hashtags are like a way to get you a little bit more extra discovery for your tweets. And obviously, when people discover your tweets, they also discover your business and the things that you're promoting in your tweets. And this number here, 89, is the length of the tweets. And you see that in almost no tweets, I use the full 140 characters. Why? Because research shows that not using using about 120 characters or less actually gives you a higher click-through rate, because when people scan with their eyes on different tweets, their eyes naturally focus on the tweet that's easier to read, and the one that's easier to read is the one that's shorter. So having a shorter tweet is actually going to actually help you, right? So there's few elements to this tweet. Each element of the tweet actually gets you more engagement. So let me recap. Nice title in the beginning, shortened link, 2 hashtags, keep it 120 characters or under, and right away you'll start to actually have, even just with that, you'll start to have more engagement with your tweets. But altogether, each tweet will get more engagement and discovery. You'll tweet in an automated way with this tool, Socialoomph, so that you're going to continue to get traffic, right? You're going to continue to get exposure, and Social Quant is going to get you even more and more people every day and put you in more followers, right? And hopefully you'll grow to thousands, tens of thousands, hopefully over 100,000 people over time, and then every time you tweet, it goes to boom, 100,000 people. Pretty amazing. So that's the strategy that I use. It really works for me, but you've got to execute it right. Every strategy, the devil's in the details. If you try it, and if you struggle with this strategy, maybe send me a message or post a discussion, and we'll figure out what may be something that maybe not happening right for you, or what's happening very right for you. If you're having success with it, I'd love to hear. So the two sites, just to recap, socialoomph.com and socialquant.net. And the discount code for Social Quant is, in one word, big discount, and so that will even make it even cheaper, although these tools are pretty cheap by themselves. So that's it. Try this, it works, and let me know how it works for you.